Welcome to Understand the Math. In this problem, we're told that the determinant of matrix A is equal to 5, and we're asked to compute the following determinants. Let's go ahead and look at part A first. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write this down. So we have a 2A, 2B, 2C, and then a D, E, and F, and a minus G, a minus H, and a minus I. If we look back up and we compare this determinant to matrix A, we can see that the difference is that we have 2's here and minus 1's here. So our strategy is going to be to pull those out. And whenever you have a constant that multiplies a row of a determinant, you can just pull the constant out. So I'm going to pull out a 2, and I'm going to pull out a negative 1, and that's going to multiply our determinant ABC, DEF, and GHI. We're told that the determinant of A is 5, so this gives us a minus 2 times a 5, which means that our determinant is equal to minus 10. Let's now look at part B. Let's go ahead and write down our determinant. We have an A, B, C, and then we have a D plus A, an E plus B, an F plus C, and then in our last row, we have a G minus 2A, an H minus 2B, and then an I minus 2C. The strategy to solve this determinant is to try to change this determinant to get it back to the determinant of A. And we can do that by doing some row replacements. What we can do, give us a little bit more space here, is we can take row 2 and we can change it to be row 2 minus row 1. Now let's look at row 3. We're going to take row 3 and we're going to replace it with row 3 plus 2 times row 1. Now let's see what we get. Our first row is the same, so that's ABC. We're going to take row 2 and we're going to add row 1 to it. So we get a D, E, and F. And then we're going to take row 3 and we're going to add 2 times row 1 to it. So this just gets us a G, an H, and an I. And this is the determinant of A. So our answer is equal to the determinant of A, which is equal to 5. Let's now look at part C. I'm going to go ahead and copy down the matrix. We have A, B, C, G, H, and I, and then D, E, and F. If we compare this to matrix A up above, I'm going to slide down so we can see it. Our matrix A was A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. And what we have, you might notice, is the same thing, but these two rows are switched. So what we want to do is we want to do a row interchange. So we're going to take row 2 and interchange it with row 3. Now, row replacement doesn't change the value of a determinant, but row interchange does. Whenever you interchange one row, you have to multiply by a negative. So I'm going to put a negative out front, and then we can go and interchange rows 2 and 3, and we get an A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, H, I. This is now a minus times our determinant of A, so our answer is minus 5.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.